Hey guys, it's Iridian. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So for today's video, I'll be showing you guys my eyebrow routine. So if you would like to see this eyebrow tutorial, please keep on watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's get started. Okay, so to do my eyebrows, I use three things. The first thing is this e.l.f. brow comb and brush. I only use the brush side for my brows and then the comb side for my eyelashes when they clump up with mascara. I'm not a big fan of a spoolie brush. I prefer an actual brush just like this one. Next, I use MAC 212. It's their flat definer brush. I love this brush because if you want a natural eyebrow finish, this will definitely give you that. As you can see, this brush is pretty thin, so you can really focus on any small area on your brow. To fill in my eyebrows, I use Anastasia's DipBrow pomade. This is in the color ash brown. I love pomades. I'm a huge fan of them. I've used other types of brow products like pencils, powders, but I always come back to using this pomade. I just feel like this gives me more of a natural eyebrow look. As you can see, I've used it pretty much a lot. So it's time for the actual tutorial part. I like to brush my eyebrows first, just to set them in place. Here comes my first tip to a natural brow look. I don't like filling in or touching the very beginning of my brows, so the bottom front and the top front I don't touch. If I do touch that part, it's only the leftover product on the brush. Now I take MAC 212 and lightly pick up some product. And I now brush my brow hair up and I start creating a line following my brow shape. As you can see, I'm starting off a little bit to the left, not too near the beginning of my brow. Then I brush my brow hair down and I start creating a line that also follows my natural brow shape. When I start getting towards the end of my brow, I make sure to add more product to make it darker. I like keeping the beginning of my brow lighter and the end of my brow darker. If you want a natural brow look, then just follow your natural brow shape and go lightly, build up product slowly. I like that saying, less is more. Oh yes, I forgot to tell you guys that I get my eyebrows waxed every month, if you were wondering, you know. But last year I didn't wax or pluck my eyebrows for about 7 or 8 months because I wanted my brows thicker, and it actually worked. If you guys want a video on how to get your eyebrows thicker, just let me know. So yeah, I'll just keep filling them in until I get them the way I like it. I'm going pretty lightly, and then I'll just brush it again just to set everything in place, and voila! Alright guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you liked this eyebrow tutorial. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you guys want to see more how-tos, just let me know and I'll be really happy to do them. So I'll see you in my next video next week. Bye!